media. Yes, man.
Yo! Hey, shout out to Filipino, aka Burger. Big up myself and I'm a general. Respect for the support, man. You see me, man, big up myself and I'm from a place. People, do me a big old favor. Click the link in the description if you want to watch the big race. Now, if you no more, click the link. Y'all gonna like it. Trust me. Black channel, well, I'm freaking sitting there ratting, so at 12 me pay for. Second comedy channel.
You drink it from me, a little boy.
Link in the description. Check them out. You ever had an idea and you just can't remember it? Like when a word up on the tip of your tongue and you can't remember the word. This is how you get it out.
Yeah. Yeah.
You would have think so after that first swing you would have get a little bit dizzy and the rest of swing them would have kind of lose energy. Not a backside. Want to notice how the pulse of the swing is kept. What is a pulse? You should have got your music class and never record alone them did I teach you for play. I have a mathematical equation for you. What do you get when you add 1 button plus 3 conks plus 1 head? That equals 1 concussion. You know, after a while you start realizing something kind of wrong with the human race when we start forgetting how to properly open a champagne bottle.
Shake it a little bit. Welcome pop. Ooh! Oh my God!
This is highly symbolic of something.
Shake it a little bit.
I just cannot figure it out. Giggity. What happened to the normal way of shaking bottles? Oh, okay, I see. It has been perverted. We have perverted the way we shake bottles. God help us.
Shake it a little bit. Welcome pop. Ooh! Ooh!
People like them, you cannot give a gun to. How about this?
Shake it a little bit.
Speaking of guns,
I will shoot the man. You want to shoot the man? So I shoot the man, sir. You want to come show the man?
he might try to plant the gun for him friend. The gun will have him fingerprints. I think it is safe to say these two do not have a future in crime.
You want to come show the man?
If I not me, then a who? A who? A who? You know, everybody bad. Everybody a bad man until a time to go to jail.
2 hours I got jail. 2 hours I got jail. And I tell the truth.
Prison and obey the rules. The little youth start fever. He know how he go a jail. None at all. It is a natural human reaction that when you hear a quick explosive sound above the normal decibels at which hearing is comfortable, that you take away yourself. He bust in a half, but the clappers made him whole again. Make me whole. Make me whole. Lesson to be learned, just remember that in your plans of fooling others, someone out there planned to make you look like idiot. What? You know, so we need to stop write these scripts while I'm drinking. Yeah man, something getting in my water, I don't know. It affect my brain. Yeah man, water get too strong. But it is still not as strong as the girlier spinal column. Not even Samson could have pushed fear spinal column out of place. Me take that back. Looking at it, sure says she shrink at least 4 feet before the party, after the party.
No, Kishaman, you sure something got a little bit taller last night?
Hey, no matter how ugly you be, you know, more time all you need to do is just visit the barber. Not that it's not gonna make you less ugly, you're just going to be ugly and shaved. When them man step through the jungle in a sir, and Duns River fall come down pan the orangutan gal them.
Gal can catch a fire.
If monkeys are shaving, trying our practices, might as well we try some of their practices. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you George of the schoolyard. Judge of the schoolyard, dumb as he can be. Somebody could have tell the boy, say a monkey swing from tree. You know, I think it is best that we leave the tree activities to the monkeys because we're still not able to master some of our own human activities. No one who help me also. Yo, Aaron! Oi! We need the car key, no! But boss, me not done work on the car yet. Me not tell us I steering and stick. Aaron, me say me need the car, no! The girl say me to come for the sitting regime. But boss, the steering not turn. Give me the damn car key! One.
You get on your way?
You do the things to Self-driving cars are coming into play now because when we have to manually operate the car, it get dangerous. But we need something in the meantime to go and hold until everybody can have a self-driving car. So experts, geniuses, are working on a somewhat new form of transportation. Now that is a real piggyback ride. You know what's funny to me? How the pig almost clapped down the little girl. Friends, we all need them for the good times and for times like these. And then a kind of friend here we need. If one go, we all go. That's what friends are for. Making our way down the slide. Oh my God now! Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. Them three are drowned. Am I the only one that saw the dog running beside them? I think that dog was trying to warn them, but nobody listens to the dog. Listen guys, I don't think you should do this. Oh my God, too late! In looking at a lot of things that we have done as human beings, I realized that we have good ideas that go bad, and then bad ideas that go worse. This is the latter. Wait, right this up. Where the man are wear what is laminated plastic?
Oh, man, is this?
Nobody writing on a crowd there and a theme, friend. Them just part the waves like Moses, and like the walls of Jericho, he came tumbling down. Now for this next video. People, me still a try to figure out if the brother are related to Jesus. Hey, no man!
Never had been seeing this yet.
No sir, a Jesus 12th generation third cousin this. People who not see the man sitting, sliding and gliding across the top of the water. And look how him step out of the pool like I don't know. Alright, what this? Yeah man, every day I do that something, yeah man. You see that day last week when me a fly? Ancestry.com, we need a DNA test done on this brother here. Because nobody can tell me say he's not related to Jesus. I must so here alone in feet pan make him so buoyant. In daddy name Speedboat and his mother name Life Raft. How the man a float across the surface of water so? Somebody explain it to me. Yo, me done with all of them fake magicians. They will love put glass under the water and walk like say them a walk per water. Me done with them. You know, move from yourself. A real yard man step up to the plate and show how we really do this skating, sliding, walking per water thing here. Yard man have time for the fakery. But then again, we should have expected it. We should have expected it. Jamaicans are a different set of people. And against the odds, we do some unbelievable things. Wanna think a joke? Leave it up to a Jamaican to light fire underwater. Leave it up to a Jamaican to go in a space and breathe oxygen. Just take off your helmet, take a deep breath and say, "Bomba! Space nice!" Leave it up to a Jamaican to sell shoes to a man with no foot. Leave it up to a Jamaican to wear winter clothes in a summer and no shed not even a drop of sweat. Leave it up to a Jamaican to done the video mid-set. Tell me some of you leave it up to our Jamaicans in the comment section below. Me I can start it off and then I'll just follow suit. I'll be reading some of the funniest ones in the next video. So drop your comments, get in on the action. You see me? Make me nice it up. Remember, tear up the like button. share, and definitely subscribe. Thank you for your video submissions. Thank you for your video suggestions. And your marvelous support on each and every video is greatly appreciated. It is a blessing to have supporters such as you. Big up on yourself. And we are going to do great things. We are going to do some great things. Trust me. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.